Imagine you're ready to dive into the exciting world of online gaming. You've picked out your favorite game, created a thrilling character, and you're just waiting to start playing. But there's one small problem. How do you fund your account? Have you ever found yourself staring at your screen, wishing you could just jump into the action but unsure how to pay for it? Today, we're going to solve that problem. We'll explore the simple and secure process of depositing money into Paysafe, a popular payment method used by millions of people worldwide. So, let's get started. What is Paysafe? Paysafe is a digital wallet that allows you to store and manage your money online. It's like a virtual bank account, but specifically designed for online transactions. With Paysafe, you can easily make payments for various services, including online gaming, shopping, and more. Why use Paysafe? There are several reasons why Paysafe is a great choice for online payments. First, it's secure. Paysafe uses advanced encryption technology to protect your personal and financial information. Second, it's convenient. You can easily top up your Paysafe account using various methods, including cash, bank transfers, and credit cards. Finally, Paysafe is widely accepted. Many online merchants and service providers accept Paysafe as a payment method. How to deposit money into Paysafe? Now, let's get to the main event, how to deposit money into your Paysafe account. There are a few different ways to do this, depending on your preferences and location. Here are the most common methods. 1. Cash deposits. One of the easiest ways to deposit money into Paysafe is by using cash. Simply locate a Paysafe partner location near you. These can be found at convenience stores, gas stations, and other retail outlets. Once you're at the location, you'll need to provide the cashier with the amount you want to deposit and your Paysafe email address or 16-digit Paysafe card number. The cashier will then process the transaction and give you a receipt. 2. Bank transfers. If you prefer to use your bank account, you can also deposit money into Paysafe via a bank transfer. To do this, you'll need to log into your Paysafe account and select the deposit option. From there, you'll be provided with bank account details. Simply transfer the desired amount to these details using your online banking or mobile app. Please note that bank transfers may take a few business days to process. 3. Credit or debit cards. Another option is to use a credit or debit card to deposit money into Paysafe. Again, log into your Paysafe account and select the deposit option. You'll then be prompted to enter your card details. Once you've entered your information, the deposit will be processed immediately. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when depositing money into Paysafe. Check fees. Some deposit methods may incur fees. Be sure to check the fees associated with your preferred method before making a deposit. Security. Always ensure that you're using a secure internet connection when making deposits. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks, as these can be less secure. Customer support. If you encounter any problems during the deposit process, don't hesitate to contact Paysafe customer support for assistance. As you can see, depositing money into Paysafe is a simple and straightforward process. By following these steps, you'll be able to quickly and securely fund your Paysafe account and start enjoying the benefits of this convenient payment method. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and make your first deposit and start exploring the exciting world of online gaming and shopping. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.